Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to change the background color of a block in Notion. If you're looking to organize your Notion pages, highlight important information, or just make your workspace a little more vibrant and personal, this easy trick will help you do just that. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly add background color to any block in Notion for extra clarity and visual appeal. Now, before we get started, there's one thing I want you to be aware of. In Notion, background colors don't apply to an entire page, but rather to individual blocks. So think of blocks like building bricks. You can color each one separately, but you won't be able to splash a background across the whole wall. If that setup works for you, let's dive in. First, head to the section of your Notion page where you'd like to add a background color. It might be a list, a paragraph, or a to-do item. Really, anything that exists as its own block. Now, when you're ready to add some color, simply type on mushroom background right where you want the new colored block to be. As you start to type the / command, you'll notice a drop-down menu appears with various block options. Just keep typing until background pops up, and then select it. At this point, Notion will prompt you to pick a background color. You'll see several color options, from subtle pastels to bolder, more vivid shades. This is your chance to choose something that either stands out for emphasis or blends in if you're going for a more laid-back vibe. For example, you might use a soft yellow to highlight reminders, or a calming blue for brainstorming notes. Simply click the color that speaks to you and the background will be applied to the block you're working on. Now, let's try this with a real example, just so you get a feel for it. Let's say you want to add a bit of color behind an important paragraph. Start by creating your paragraph as usual. Type out your note or reminder. Maybe, "Don't forget Friday's meeting," or "Ideas for our summer project." Once your text is in place and you're happy with the content, go back to the same block and type "background." Again, select background from the menu. Pick your preferred color, and instantly, that specific paragraph stands out visually. This can be especially helpful if you're sharing your Notion pages with colleagues or classmates. Colorful backgrounds draw the reader's eye, almost like using a highlighter in a physical notebook. It's a little thing, but it can make skimming through information much easier, especially in pages packed with details. And that's really it. The process is pretty quick, but it can make a huge difference in how you organize and present your ideas in Notion. Remember, backgrounds only affect the individual block you select, so you can change 1, 2, or as many blocks as you like, building up your page just the way you want. Give it a try, and don't worry if it feels a bit awkward the first time. The more you play with these options, the more you'll find creative ways to use them, whether it's color-coding tasks, marking off important deadlines, or just making your workspace a bit more inviting. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more Notion tips. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials just like this, and happy organizing in Notion.